This is a short little video on the probability definition and a little bit about notation that's used with probability. Definition. Probability is the likelihood that an event will occur. It is the long-run relative frequency of a chance outcome. It describes the proportion of times the outcome would occur in a long series of repetitions, and those last two are very similar. We do need to keep in mind in the long run what number will the event approach, or when we do a simulation, etc., what number will it approach, and that's what we're looking at for probability. It is a number between 0 and 1, so it's kind of a small scale, yet 0 to 1 does include an infinite number of numbers, decimals, and so we can describe that as an infinite set also. And as a reminder, 0 means the outcome can never happen, and 1 means the outcome will always happen. Taking a look at some notation, the probability of rolling a 1 on a standard number cube or dice would be usually listed as P of 1 equals 1/6, or we could write it as a decimal 0.1666 repeating 6. Okay, here is a table given some different color, maybe balloons, etc. I'd like you to pause the video and find each of the probabilities listed there, and then we'll conclude with the answers. Okay, welcome back. So the first thing you needed to do with this table was find out how many objects are there total. So you would add them all up and find out there are 24 items. And then the probability of green would be 6 out of 24. We could list that as 1/4 or 0.25. All three of those would be fair. And probability of not orange listed there. We could also list that as orange with a capital C. That capital C that we saw in the last slide, as you notice here, the orange with the big capital C would be standing as the complement. Okay, so that is 21 out of 24, or 0.875. And the probability of red or blue, you would just add those two together. That would be 15 out of 24, or 0.625. Hopefully you enjoyed this short little video on the definition of probability and some of the notation that comes with it.